So, what is Hormogonia? In Cyanobacteria, Hormogonia is a special process of vegetative reproduction in Cyanobacteria. It is a characteristic feature of Cyanobacteria because Hormogonia formation only occurs in Cyanobacteria. So how they are formed, how Hormogonia are formed. So this is a colony of nostoc. Here many filament of nostoc are there. We know that in nostoc filament some cells are thick-walled. These cells are called heterocyst. So they fix, because they have nitrogenase enzyme, they fix nitrogen. So these thick-walled cells create pressures on the wall of these cells. So here attachment at this site becomes weak. So this filament simply divides into two fragments. One fragment is with heterocyst, another is without heterocyst. So these fragments now are called Hormogonia. So here simply breakage occur or fragmentation occurs at specific site. On which site? Adjacent to heterocyst. Either this site will be adjacent to heterocyst or this site will be separation disc. So we will discuss it later. First, the cell in the vicinity of heterocyst will break from there and form two fragments. These two fragments will now be called Hormogonia. These fragments can form new filament. And this can also form new filament. So this is called Hormogonia. Hormogonia is a special type of vegetative reproduction in Cyanobacteria. It is just a type of fragmentation where fragmentations occur at specific sites. It may be at the vicinity of heterocyst or it may be at separation disc. How separation discs are formed? Suppose this is a filament of nostoc and around this filament there is a mucilaginous sheath or slime layer. So suppose this cell dies. So here this gap will arise between this cell and this cell. So this gap is called separation disc. And finally, due to this gap, these two fragments will separate. And after separation, they will form new colony by further division, new filament by further division. So Hormogonia is a special type of vegetative reproduction in which fragmentation occurs at specific site. It may be in the vicinity of heterocyst because heterocyst formation just weakens the adjacent wall, and it may be at the separation disc which are formed due to the death of adjacent cell. So gap is created, and from this gap fragment will separate. So this is Hormogonia in cyanobacteria.